Hey, what's up guys, it's me Inventor, and in this video I'm gonna be comparing GoPro Hero 4 versus Eken H9. Here we go. Yeah guys, I just wanna also let you know that every footage which I shoot with both of those cameras is not color graded in this video, so that means it's just a raw footage from a camera, okay? Yeah guys, I just want to also let you know that every footage which I shoot with both of those cameras is not color graded in this video, so that means it's just a raw footage from a camera, okay? So right now I'm walking down Stevens Creek Trail, and I just want to also let you know that the little speaker thing which is gonna pop up shows which microphone I'm testing right now. So right now I'm walking down Stevens Creek Trail, and I just want to also let you know that the little speaker thing which is gonna pop up shows which microphone I'm testing right now. Know that Hero 4 costs about $200 and Eken H9 costs about $40, so that's a major difference. And let's see how much better quality you get if you pay about $160 more for GoPro Hero 4. I also forgot to tell you that both of the cameras right now are shooting at the same resolution. Also guys, let's do some kind of a slow motion test on both of these cameras, because those are action cameras and action means like something fast, or like you can, I don't know, like slow motion. Let's do that. Also guys, let's do some kind of a slow motion test on both of these cameras, because those are action cameras and action means like something fast, or like you can, I don't know, like slow motion. Let's do that. So yeah, that was the footage from Eken H9 and GoPro Hero 4 Silver. In my opinion, GoPro Hero 4 Silver has much better sound. It has more settings than Eken H9, and the picture is more of a like natural, but Eken H9 has more of brighter image and it's much cheaper, so it would be really great for purposes like you're afraid of dropping your camera or breaking it. So yeah, huge thanks to Jack D's. You can come to his channel. He helped me to make this video. He let me borrow his camera. Thanks to him, you can come to his channel and comment under one of his videos that you came from me. And yeah, also here out of 5 original comments. And yeah, subscribe to this channel. Also click the little bell so we get notifications for my next video. Comment down below to get into my video and like, because it supports my channel. And yeah, I will see you next time. Bye.